Let's make an apron out of 2 rectangular kitchen towels. Lay them out and decide where they will intersect. Ideally, you fit this to your own body in front of a mirror and you pin it in place. For the top one, take the sides in a little bit. This is where you will fix the string for your neck. Then I sew them in place, and if there's an existing line, I'm trying to stick to it. Here is a thrifted pillowcase. I'm cutting the strings for the neck and for the back out of it. And the neck one is around 23 inches for me, but could be different for you. Then I'm turning them inside out with the help of a safety pin. And press them with a hot iron. The strings for the back might be 40 inches each, but if you don't want yours as long, just make them shorter. I just prefer them longer. Then I decided to use the rest of the leftover fabric to make a large pocket on the front. Just make sure you put it in the center and sew along the bottom so you can store small things while you wander around the house. And I decided to make a small ruffle at the bottom. I really like ruffles. And to add another small pocket at the top so that I can put my phone or anything like, smaller things. And the final step would be to take in the sides because they're rectangular and you want them to fit to your body a bit nicer, but that is quickly done and you're already done. Here is the final kitchen towel apron.